Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best rain barrel that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Rain Barrel. According to a report from the United States Environmental Protection Agency, at least 30% of those gallons are spent on outdoor uses such as watering our plants and lawns. In some particularly dry areas such as the Southwest, that figure can be as much as 60%, which is why more and more homeowners are on the lookout for the best rain barrel to help them cut back on their water usage. Number 5. Impel 50 Lig Impressions Palm Rain Barrel. Dual spigot locations, use a hose and spigot simultaneously. Built-in overflow management system. Palm self-draining planter top, BPA-free. Main features: anti-debris and bug screen. 50-gallon capacity. Self-draining planter top. Number 4. SVR's Lig Savannah Rain Barrel. Equipped with a sturdy brass spigot which won't rust or break like plastic alternatives. Mesh screen blocks debris from entering your water supply. Routed channel diverts excess water. Main features: column shape adds class. Flat back design. 55-gallon capacity. Number 3. FCMP Outdoor Catalina Rain Barrel. The flat back design allow for easy installation and placement of the downspout. The barrels are constructed of recycled. Includes debris screen, garden hose and hanging hose clip. Main features: shut-off thumb valve. BPA-free polyethylene. 45-gallon capacity. Number 2. Algreen Products Cascada Rain Barrel. Dual water overflows allow for water to sufficiently escape rain barrel when full and allow option for linking multiple rain barrels with Algreen's linking kit. Main features: made from roto-molded plastic. High-quality brass spigot. Elegant design. Number 1. Ruern GRN Rain Wizard Rain Barrel Learn 65-gallon. Equipped with a sturdy brass spigot which won't rust or break like plastic alternatives. Mesh screen blocks debris from entering your water supply. Main features: routed channel diverts excess. BPA-free. Earn shape and color add class. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.